Welcome to our channel. Netgear AC750 EX6100 new extender setup. Plug it in. Find a spot close to your router. Don't go hunting for that perfect corner just yet. You just want it powered on and in range. LED should blink. That's your cue it's alive. Connect to the extender network. On your laptop or phone, go to Wi-Fi settings. Look for something like Netgear_Ext. Connect. No password yet, just click it. Open the setup page. Launch a browser and go to www.mywifi.ext.net or 192.168.1.250. Either should land you in the setup wizard. If nothing loads, try a different browser. Seriously, browsers can be picky. Start the wizard. Once in, hit New Extender Setup. It'll start scanning for your existing Wi-Fi networks. Grab your main Wi-Fi name, the one you want to extend. Enter your password. Type in the Wi-Fi password of your main network. Double check it. Mistypes are the #1 headache here. Choose your extender network name. You can leave it as Netgear_Ext or rename it. I like adding _Ext to avoid confusion. Hit Next, and it'll apply settings. Might take a minute, don't panic. Reconnect devices. After it reboots, your extended network should show up. Connect your phone, laptop, smart TV, whatever, using the same password you just set. Move the extender. Now that it's working, find a spot halfway between your router and the dead zone. Check the LED, green is good, amber is meh, red means move closer to the router. Test your Wi-Fi speed in that spot to confirm. Thank you for watching.